friends, welcome to my channel, Abhinav Kadali. Today we are going to make rock candy. Did you know you can make a simple, tasty, sugary rock candy sitting right at your home? Wow, that's cool. Now let's introduce you to the materials. A saucepan, glasses or mason jars, food coloring, skewers, clothespins, tissue paper if you get messy, and the final and main ingredient, sugar. So step 1, pour 3 cups of water into the saucepan. Now, boil the water. And add 6 to 7 cups of sugar. And add sugar until it no longer dissolves. Now, turn off the heat and let it cool for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, dip the skewers in the boiled syrup. And then coat them with the powdered sugar. So now let them dry so the crystals will grow properly. Now we are going to add food coloring in the glass or mason jar. Let's pour the syrup into the glasses and stir. Now let's put the skewers in the glasses in such a way it should not touch the side or bottom. Like this. Looks kind of exciting, huh? Can't wait to eat this. Now let's wait for 2 to 3 days for the crystals to grow. So now this is how it looks after a few days. Now you have to take anything sharp like a knife and cut off the top part. So now let me show you. Now carefully remove the skewer. Take any parts like this off. So put the skewers upside up like this, so if there's any water on it, then it'll leak down into the glass. end of my video, everyone. And I hope you have liked my eatable rock candy. If you also like my videos, please like, share, and then subscribe. And after you subscribe, don't forget to hit that bell to turn on notifications. Bye!